How to fix if your YouTube is being slow on Google Chrome. Hello everyone, and let's get started. If your YouTube is slow or lagging in Google Chrome, there are several steps that you can take to troubleshoot and improve the performance. The very first one would be checking the internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and running at an adequate step. You can use online speed test tools to check your internet speed. If not, you can consider switching in between the different kind of Wi-Fi connections. Likewise, the next step would be updating your Google Chrome. For this, first of all, you need to open your Google Chrome. Then tap on the three dots on the top right corner. Then go to the section of System and then make sure that you have turned off the option of Use Hardware or Graphics Acceleration when available. After that, also you have to update your Chrome by clicking on About Chrome and checking for up-to-dates. Likewise, for the next option, go to the New tab, go to three dots again, and this time click on Clear Browsing Data. Select the data that you want to delete from the Basic as well as the Advanced tab, and then tap on Clear Data. Once this is done, you can check if the YouTube is working well. Likewise, the next step would be managing the extensions. Sometimes too much of extension could also interfere with the YouTube's performance. To access the extensions, click on the three dots and then on Extensions and then on Manage Extensions. From the list, you can now remove any of which is not in use or which is not working. After this, you can restart the computer once and check if the issue has been fixed. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.